Hey non-techies, in this tutorial we will cover how to add an event into Square. First, we will go to Items and Orders and click Items. From here, we will create an item. And the first detail that we will change is the item type. We'll turn it to Event and click Change. Then we will name our event. Add a description. You can set the locations you would like your tickets to be sold from. Then you'll add your event details. If you have an in-person or online, the event link to the event. Then you'll add your start date and your start time. And then you will add your end date and your end time. Here we will click time zone and update it to the time zone this event will be held in. Then we'll put our price per ticket. And if we click options, we have a add online sale price, which will create that crossed out price. Or if you would like to add a price override for a custom price at a particular location, you could click here. Now we'll add the number of tickets available. So since we have 3 locations here, you will add your number of tickets to each location. And then click done. So that will give you how much stock you have across all 3 locations. If you have 1 location, you'll be able just to see the 1 location here and be able to add your stock. And if you want to add low stock alerts, you can toggle this on and then enter in a threshold that you want. So once we sell enough tickets where inventory goes to 10 or below, we get an email for a low stock order. So if we scroll all the way down, we can toggle on our online selling. And you can mark it as visible, hidden, or unavailable. And then as you continue to go down, you'll have payment links where you can create payment links for the different locations, or if you have 1 location, it will add it for that 1, and then you'll click save. Once you save, you will have your link where you can copy it for your payment. You'll be able to send in an email or text, create a QR code or a button to put on a current website like a WordPress site, a Squarespace site, or Wix. After that, you'll click done and your event is complete. This is what your event will look like in a payment link. It'll have the name of the event, the cost, the day and time, and then if it's online and if it's in person, it'll have the location here and your product description, and you will be able to go through the checkout process. For checkout with events, you can use express checkouts and Cash App Pay. If you would like to add Afterpay, that it will also show up here for your customers to use to finish. So that is how you create a new event on Square.